Okay, Team Holland of Oslo to Rome is ready to go. And what are we going to do? We're going from Oslo to Rome and we're going to do the Dutch-German part. And we're going to use an app for that to basically charge everywhere. What's the name of the app?
It's a share and charge app.
Okay, Jan-Peter is from Enexis and you're one of the partners who's basically part of this project. What's so special about an app which basically you can charge everywhere?
Well, the great thing is that we built this app on the blockchain. And if you build something on the blockchain, it's immediately everywhere. So it's not only we who are going on tour, but it is 7 international partners who all are going on a tour.
I can make it go right! Okay, we're ready to go for the first part of the Oslo to Rome part. And the first stop we're going to do is ElaadNL in Arnhem, who's going to be the research lab. They have thousands of charging poles all over the Netherlands. And they also do the research for all the grid operators.
Was ist in dem großen Anhänger?
Ein Elektromotorfahrrad. Onuf Karon, you're the director of ElaadNL and we're here at the ElaadNL facility. What did you just do with your motor?
I actually charged my bike. And not only did I charge the electric bike, but I also used the new technique, the future technology based on blockchain.
You didn't need a pass or anything?
No, I just selected the charging station in the apps, and it just started. It's
contactless charging is really the future, and then also it works everywhere in Europe, right? And that's what we're going to show.
Yeah, it is of course the solution for interoperability cross-border.
Cool. It works in Arnhem. It works at the ElaadNL test lab. Well, we're going to now find out if it works in Germany. Okay, we stopped to get
a nice cappuccino.
A nice cappuccino. Arjan, ElaadNL. What is the involvement of ElaadNL in this project of charge and share and charge?
Indeed. ElaadNL has been a charge point operator for some years now in the Netherlands, but we're also exploring new technologies. We want to see how this blockchain and also Tangle and IOTA can ease up
the whole integration of the chain. Yeah, so it has to be easy. Like we come everywhere, we show our app, and we basically can charge. Jan-Peter, Enexis, why were you involved in this whole ElaadNL and smart charging network?
Well, as a grid operator, we do something which is very essential. We ensure the right to energy. That's a very important system today, but it also has to work tomorrow. So that's why in this development there are 2 rather new technologies. So it's e-mobility and blockchain. What we are looking at how these technologies change the way we distribute energy and change the way solutions are created. We can use this solution to charge our car and drive around, and we charge it without contract, just with an app. But now it's time for an American cappuccino. Let's go in.
All right.
Continue straight to stay on cruise Iskirch-Strasse.
Hi Hector.
How are you doing?
Chris.
Hi.
Is there a chance I could charge here?
Definitely. Here we have a charging pole, and you can also use our great share and charge app, the first blockchain-based app for charging in
Okay, let me get
Europe.
my cable first. That's one. And then here.
And yeah, we start basically with the app where we can see all the charging poles in. Right now we're in Essen, so we see all the charging poles in Essen. Here's our charging pole.
Okay.
So that is our charging pole.
Yep.
We press charging.
Yep.
Then we
an hour.
take an hour. Yeah, we want to charge an hour. Then we confirm.
Yes! We have a connection.
Go.
Houston, it works.
And then that is your charging on the blockchain technology.
And now Germany is added to it, but it could be the Dutch, like we saw this morning in Arnhem, and it could be anywhere from Oslo to Rome could be connected to the same backend.
Yeah, it could be anywhere in the planet.
So I came from Holland, and I only had an app, and I didn't have to think, and I didn't have to register, I didn't have to contract. I could just come in, click on it, say I want this one to start, and it started charging, and the whole transaction stuff happened in the background with the use of Ethereum with a smart contract. So I think that is pretty smart and that's pretty handy, and I want it for all of Europe.